Vicky here with you, and today I want to play with my Beebeecraft little stamping set. Well, wax seal set, I should say. So I've got all of these different colors, and I thought it would be really cool to put them like on these tags, which have been coffee stained. In case you're wondering, this gets really hot. And I've adjusted it so that it's not bent anymore. It was just a question of, you know, twisting it a bit. So let's choose a color. I'm very excited to do this because I've never done it, and I've got a feeling it's going to be really cool. So we'll see how long it takes for this to warm up. I guess I could also, oh, it's warming up quite fast, actually, faster than I thought. Because I was going to say I could put probably this in there directly, but I don't know how much wax it's actually going to do. So so there might be more than what my little thing can hold. See, it's melting. So I think I'm gonna close the camera and I'll let it melt, and then I will be back. Okay, so it took a few minutes to melt, but now it's melted. So let's hope I can scrape this off. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so I'm definitely not an expert at this. Wonder if I could just put my little spoon and get it to melt in the spoon instead. Oh, it's cool. It's not as big as it should be because obviously I didn't do the. So let's put another one, and let's try to get it to melt in my little spoon directly. That might be easier. I'll be back. I'm very impatient, so I'm putting the little spoon under so that it goes faster, just because I'm not a very patient person at all. It's almost all melted. It's almost ready to be poured. Okay, so let's try to do a better job this time around of spreading it. And I think I did better this time. I think everything comes with practice, right? So this is the next one. It's a lot prettier, and you can see the feather, how beautiful it is. Really beautiful. Oh, this is really fun, and you can see how much better I got at doing this. Okay, so now I don't want to make mud, so should I keep on doing the same color? Maybe, because this way I won't make mud. But they've got beautiful colors in here, so maybe one of the things I can do is clean it off and come back and show you another one of the colors, which that's why this set is so amazing, because it gives you a chance to try the different colors and decide what you want. So, but they've got a ton of these gorgeous, gorgeous seals. So definitely fun to play with. So many different designs. Melting. When you approach it too much, the bottom of the spoon becomes black, so I'm trying not to. I can see why Leanne loves doing seals so much. So here we go. I guess the better the circle I make, the better it's going to be, the seal. And here we go. So I'll clean this off and I'll be right back so that we can actually do another color. Okay, so I cleaned it off and now we're going to try with the gold, which I think is going to be really fun to play with as well. I think it's a gold. Could be kind of a bronze as well. My little candle is dying. I think this is going to be a really pretty color. I will be putting down in the description box below the link to this beautiful little set so that you can go and get it yourself. Really cool to be doing this. Can you imagine sending an envelope and you can seal it this way? Wouldn't that be cool? Like, go old-fashioned. Really old-fashioned. Okay, so sorry if you're hearing the door. My husband's just coming in. Okay, so let's do this. I want to do it on this one. Just want to make sure that it's still hot. And they have the full alphabet set, so you could get your initials, which is really fun. Let's do this. I think it might be the way I'm pressing that is making it go down. So, oh, I actually did better. So you can see here I did a much better circle. So I think it's a question of practicing because you can see how. And what's fun with this kit is, like I said, you've got all these different colors, so you can play and have fun and just, you know, choose which color you like best and try different options. And it dries so fast. It's very neat. So I hope you've liked this. Hope it inspires you. Hope you want to go and check them out. Like I said, you should go and go in the description box below. The link will be there for their products. And that is it for now. Bye, everyone.